Hi guys, this is Jackie from the Builderall team. In this session, I'm going to show you how to stream a pre-recorded file to Facebook. We're going to go to the menu at the top where it says Apps. You're going to move to the Builders, go down to Webinar Builder, and then once you've clicked on that, it will open the webinar dashboard. You're going to scroll down until you get the blue plus sign. You're going to click, then you'll see three options. We're using the one at the top because we are streaming a pre-recorded file to Facebook. We're going to go next. We're not opening up a webinar room, but just streaming a file. We're going to click Upload New Video. Then we're going to tick that box because we want to stream this video to YouTube or Facebook. You're going to click again. Go grab the video that you want to upload. Now guys, depending on the speed of your internet connection as well as the size of the video, that is what determines the speed of which it will be uploaded. And while we wait for that, please remember that with any type of webinar streaming tool, there is always a delay of around 30 seconds. So just keep that in mind. Once it's uploaded, it will encode a few seconds, and then we can hit save. We're going to hit save, and now we're going to go next, open file streaming tool. Now you've got two options here. You can either add it manually, or you can use this button right here. So what this button basically does, you are giving our webinar tool the authority to go to Facebook, to go grab the server key and the RTMP key and insert it right here so that you can stream directly. So this is really very easy and self-explanatory. I'm going to show you how to get this manually. So you're going to go to facebook.com/live/create. Then click on Create Live Stream. And you need to be logged in for this to work. Then, which is very important, is on the left hand side, you need to go choose the timeline, the page, or the group. I'm going to choose a page at this stage for an example. And it is going to be that page. You can also add a title as well as a description, which is optional, but that is your choice. Then on the right hand side, when you scroll down, you will find the live stream setup. You're going to go grab the server URL, go back to the webinar tool, add it in the right place, go back again to the Facebook, grab the stream key, add it right there and paste it in, and we're going to hit start streaming. And you can see it says the button go live. Go live. Now you can see it stream. It's a very short video, but it is streaming. So let's go look on the account itself what happened. And we're just going to keep on refreshing it. And you will see, there we go. Live 12 seconds ago. Now let's go back to the webinar. Once it is finished, it will disconnect and it will show start streaming again. And that is all for this session. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day. Bye.